Good morning and welcome back to Black Bear Forge. It's Sunday morning, you guessed it, it's time for the hook of the week. Let's take a look and see what we've got in the bucket today. Now at some point we've got to use some of these really simple basic materials, and somebody had asked about making a simple drive hook. So today I think we will take this piece of 3/8 square bar. So that's about 10 millimeters by 100 millimeters square bar. And we're going to make a very simple hook. We're just going to make a drive hook out of this. We've looked at making a drive hook in a previous video, but that's been a while back. And since this is hook of the week, and this will be a hook, let's go see what it takes to make a very simple drive hook. Now to start today's hook, I think we're going to do an upset square corner just to make it a little bit more refined. Cool that off in a little bit of water. And by cooling the end down, we can get a little bit cleaner corner in here. This isn't a vital step. Most people do not put sharp square corners on a drive hook. We're going to go ahead and draw this out. A little hard to get into at this point, but it'll get better as we go. Ultimately, I want this to be about 1/4 inch up here. I'll put it in a henning tool and create a nice flat boss on there for this to be driven into the hammer. Kind of imagine this as a nail and the head will be over here. Clean that corner up just a little bit. And now I want to draw this out. And I could leave it square and taper it. But I think I'm going to flare it out so it gets wider and thinner at the end, just for looks. It won't be your average drive hook. Just want to try and keep the edges fairly straight, not too wobbly. That's what will become our hook part. Before we do that, I think I'm going to finish the head of the nail. I'm going to drop that in the header. Drive that down so we get a nice tight fit to the wall. And right here at the edge of the Pritchell hole, I'll even that out a little bit because it's always going to be a little bit lumpy and bumpy. And I'll just put this in the vise and kind of square that back up again. Doing a drive hook this way certainly takes more time. I think I said it was a simple drive hook. Perhaps that wasn't the best description of it. But in any case, it will be a drive hook. That's a little bit better angle there. I'm going to start with just a very simple beginnings of a curl. It's not going to go very far. Just something like that. And then I think we'll bend it in just a simple bending fork. That's just a piece of 3/4 inch bar bent into a U shape. Nothing particularly special. And then we'll just bend this around. And just sort of a different take on your classic drive hook. So instead of a very simple drive hook, we have a slightly overcomplicated drive hook. But you know what? I'm okay with that because sometimes you just got to try something new and see what happens with it. I really like the idea. I think there could be some refinements in the tooling and the approach to it. But maybe I'll try that some other time, or maybe a year from now when we're still doing the hook of the week, we'll take a look at that. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't done so already, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Feel free to stick around, watch a few of the other videos, share the videos with your friends. If you'd like to provide financial support for the videos here at Black Bear Forge, there are links in the video description for both PayPal and Patreon. These are merely donations. The content is free and will remain free. But in the meantime, I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop. Make something, but stay safe. Wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.